So you want to go to the comments of how to fix that some people proposed in the comment section on fixing Twinmotion if it is crashing and giving you 00 KB files. So that's what you want to do, what to check out. So I'm going to that video. All I have to do is to go to my channel, and I'm looking for the video. So there were some good comments that people had different ways of fixing. Of course, like every fix will never work for everyone, because sometimes what is causing the problem for your PC is something different. And of course, you don't have to skip the ads. You can always watch them. No, you can always watch them. Yeah, you don't have to skip them. So this guy here was saying that his fix, it worked for him. You delete all your video texture materials and make new video texture material, then you can render it. So basically saying that change the materials you had, and the texture that you had in your drawing, and try to change it afresh to something new, and it will work. So of course there's someone here who asked, how do you make a video material? I can only create a standard one. So I applied the video sample, duplicated it, chose my video, but I get the same crash. Can you help please? But I think it was not help. Then there's this guy, I don't know which language this, so let's try to translate it in Google Translate, or what we call Tafsiri in our language. So in Kiswahili it's called Tafsiri. So we go to Google Translate and we are trying to see what this guy was saying. Yeah. So at times so detecting the language, and of course you want to translate to Kiswahili, it is easier. So yeah, this guy saying that I'm not understanding, I'm getting a nervous breakdown, can you please help me? And that's true. Actually this program can give you a nervous breakdown by the when you're using Twinmotion to do everything and suddenly it is not working. It is really stressful, especially if you had a client. Of course we know, if you had a client, sometimes it can mess you up, or you are doing an assignment or something close to that. So let me try to say something that will be translated to his language. So yeah, I'm sorry for the late reply. Did you get any help, my friend? And I know that my friend did not get any help anyways. So, but I hope things worked out eventually for him. So this is how we say it in Turkish, and I'm going to paste it here. Yeah, and then I reply. So it worked for this guy, Manuel Simango. It worked for him. Twinmotion video output. All you have to do is to change the video output. So for this guy saying that you change it from, if it was 1080, you reduce it to 720, and it worked for him. So yeah, actually you can try out some of these options. It might work for you, and you'll be good to go. Don't be afraid to try them. If it's not working for you, don't have a nervous breakdown like the other guy, but you can try different options from the internet. You can just Google different fixes and see which one will work for you. Yeah, so this guy, I hope he fixed his problem. I hope he did. I can't be able to full screen Twinmotion. Please give a solution, it will be very helpful. That one. So for me, it is for me to help, because like if I've had a problem and I try to fix it on my end, then it becomes easier. But if I've never had a problem, I won't be able to fix it for you. So thank you for watching to this part.